What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode. This episode is all about fillet steak and peppercorn sauce. However, this episode is going to be a little bit different. It's a collaboration video. I'll be collaborating with another YouTuber to show you a different way of cooking a fillet steak than what we're used to here in the UK. So first, let me introduce the guy who I'm going to be collaborating with today. He's a fellow chef and a fellow YouTuber. He comes from Texas, USA. He's a pit master, so he's really knowledgeable when it comes to smoking and barbecuing all sorts of types of meats. This guy really knows his stuff. Let me introduce to you all Eric from Roundhouse Barbecue. Eric, come say hello, buddy.
Well, howdy, y'all.
Good to see you, Eric. So, can you just enlighten my viewers as to what we're going to be cooking and how you're going to be cooking it?
Well, Seth, what we're going to do today is we're going to do a reverse seared filet mignon. We're going to do it on our Weber kettle, and it's going to be tasty. What do you think about that?
Oh, Eric, that sounds absolutely amazing. And do you know what? I've actually got the perfect sauce to go with that. I've got peppercorn sauce, quite traditional here in the UK and in Europe, but mine's got a little twist on it. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll tell you what my secret is. But whilst I'm cracking on with the sauce, why don't you fire up the grill?
Alright, so what we're going to do, I've already got it set up. There's our charcoal grate. We're going to pile some up there, and we're just going to pile, I don't know, probably 10 lit coals. I use my chimney on right there to light them. We're just going to pile them up right there, and we're going to reverse sear these steaks. Alright, here's our inaugural burn on my 79 red Weber kettle. I've got my chimney with 12 pieces of charcoal going on in there, and we're going to start this up for our steaks. And all we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of salt, just regular, normal, kosher salt, and black pepper. The ratios of it, you want to make it think like you're doing a normal Texas brisket style barbecue rub. Just like that, a nice decent crust, peppery crust on it, and we'll be good to go. I'll come back once we got these on. All right. You can see we've got our two steaks. Put them on over here far away from this heat. You can see it's starting to light and get some smoke coming out. They're going to catch a smoke bath until they're about 118 degrees internal temperature.
So Eric's got that steak smoking nicely. So whilst that's still smoking, I'm going to talk you through the process and show you how I make my peppercorn sauce.
So to begin, you're going to need to slice and dice one banana shallot. Next, you'll need to peel and chop one garlic clove. Here I'm using smoked garlic, but you can use normal. In a pan, with some veg oil, sweat off your shallot and your garlic. Add your bay leaf and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Add 100ml of Worcestershire sauce and reduce to what I like to call 1,000 bubbles. Once your Worcestershire sauce has reduced, add 150ml of double cream and 1 red wine jus cube. Add some salt, give it a mix and bring it back up to the boil. Once it's started to boil, you can then pass the sauce through a sieve into a clean pot. Add some green peppercorns in brine, make sure you wash them first, give it a mix and your sauce is ready.
So that's how I make my peppercorn sauce. The secret's in the Worcestershire sauce. And now that you have that secret, feel free to use it as much as you want. Let's get back over to Eric now and see how he's getting on with these steaks.
Alright folks, sorry about the wind noise. This red Weber kettle, 42 years old, has been holding rock steady at 221 degrees. And it is time to check these steaks. Oh, there goes my hat. It is windy as all get out here. Yeah, these two steaks have been on for about a half hour. It's time to take our thermo pop and check them out. See, we got nice good cold bed going on there. We'll take this one since it was ready first. We'll take this one. These should get going and seared up real quick. We're gonna sear them for, I don't know, probably 90 seconds each side. Then we're gonna check the internal temp. We're looking for an internal temp of about 128. We'll be back. Here we are. These steaks have rested for the required amount of time that I'm willing to let them do, which ended up being about 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and cut them up, and then I'll dress them up with Chef, say that 3 times real fast, Chef Seth. With his sauce, I'll dress it up on the plate and present that to you. So we'll go ahead and just take a quick slice across. See how close I got to medium rare on this one. It's more like medium, but that's okay. That's okay. It's not ruined and well done. So we'll just take a few slices. Plate that up, we'll drizzle some sauce over it, and then we can eat.
Sauce is done, steak is cooked. One thing left to do, try it. So there you have it, guys. Texas style steak and a European style peppercorn sauce. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. And I'll leave a link to Eric's channel as well down below. Make sure you go and give him all the same support that you've given me. Guys, thank you very much, and until the next one.